Hi there, this is Jennifer with Brome Fields, and today we're going to work on the Chevron headband knitting pattern. And I'm going to go through it row by row. It's a 4-row repeat, and I am using Knit Picks Tough Puff, a super bulky yarn, and it calls out to use a size 15 knitting needle, but I'm using a size 13 for this headband. You'll want to cast on 9 stitches, and row 1 is the wrong side of our work. So now I'm going to show you how I create this elongated knit stitch on either side of it. So on the wrong side, we're going to hold the yarn in the front. If we hold it in the back like normal, we would create a purl stitch on the side, and we don't want that. So we're going to slip this first stitch, and then we're going to put the yarn in the back, and we're going to knit the second stitch, and then we're going to purl 5 stitches, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to knit this second to last stitch, and then we're going to put the yarn in the front again, and we're going to slip this stitch. That way we have this nice elongated knit stitch on this side too. So this is row 2, the right side of your work. And we're going to knit 1 through the back loop. So instead of knitting like this, which would be normal, we're going to knit into the back. So we're going to go through this side of the loop and bring that yarn forward. So we keep that nice pretty knit stitch there. And then we're going to knit 1, purl 1, and knit 3, purl 1, knit 1, and then we're going to knit 1 through the back loop again, so that we're keeping this elongated stitch here without twisting it. Now we're ready for row 3 with the yarn in the front again. So if you have it in the back, that creates that purl stitch. Yarn in front, slip 1, and then we're going to purl 2 stitches and knit, purl, knit. So knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, and then we're going to purl 2 stitches, and with the yarn in the front again, we're going to slip that stitch. So we still have that nice pretty stitch there. Now we're ready for row 4, and we're going to knit 1 through the back loop. So on all the even rows, we're going to knit through the back loop. And then we're going to knit 3 stitches, and we're going to purl 1 for this peak, and then we're going to knit 3 stitches, and then we're going to knit 1 through the back loop. So still have that nice pretty knit stitch at the end. So on all the rows, that's what it's going to look like. So pretty easy to memorize there. So that's 9, cast on 9 stitches. So these 7 stitches are your chevron, and this is your edge stitch, which will make it nice and pretty edge like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's headband knitting pattern, and I'll see you guys again next time. Thank you so much for watching.